I'm lying. Station. What's up, y'all? Who's that talking? Yo. Hi guys. How y'all doing? I think they're coming back now. How many minutes? Doesn't say. I see them on the road though. No. But yeah, I am here. Bali. Bezanda. Yabona badlulile mina lakubhalwe nje ePitori khona bayangale. Where's the child that swears? Swears. Angazi guys. Mina cishe ngapost.
Well, am I a cop? No, no, I am not.
Because what I've been thinking, it would be nice to have a partner.
You next door, le? Is it part of the house? Who's your new babe? What about in your Knees very planned on you. I've got red hair on. I'm slowly loving red hair. Like.
Are they all different species?
I guess it's coloring. I was little yeah.
All we know is that they are all members of the predator family.
So, predators are the only ones going south?
Look very happy right now. My life is great, bro. You don't understand. My life, it's going so nice. It is so like.
A biological component, you know, something in their DNA. In their DNA, can you
I will Chico Daisy.
what I mean is
Whoa.
thousands of years ago, predators
Chico does. Yo, Chico just disappeared. I don't know how. Kanjani. Chico a lot. He just disappeared. Angazi kanjani. Jamie, let me see what you're wearing.
Okay, thank you, Officer Hawk. That's all the time that we have. No more questions.
You're reducing your lifespan. I don't give a shit.
I didn't get a chance to say you or say anything about how
Kafana, sonke sofa.
Clearly there's a biological component. These predators may be reverting back to their primitive savage ways. Are you serious?
I just needed the facts of the case.
You've lost weight, are you okay? Eva.
Right, but a fox could, huh?
Just like them.
Oh, there's a them now.
You know what I mean? Not that kind of
No comment.
The kind that needs to be muscled? The
There
kind
was
that
one
makes you
shaking.
think you need to carry around fox
What's your phone shaking?
Do you think I might go nuts?
People are dumb out here. Really
You think I
dumb.
might try to eat you? I knew it.
You're 17 and vaping. Oh,
Just when I thought somebody actually
just to make you feel better, there's a 5-year-old, 4-year-old. I don't know who like that.
Masha.
Low moon.
Malia.
Yeah.
Malia is 8.
8-year-old. No Masha, ne?
Right?
No Masha, ne?
No, to fuck you.
Yeah.
fuck you not too.
Friends? That is not
Angazi ngambona Donso.
that even
Don't
your
say-
boss has gone savage. More bad news in this city.
We continue what I'm doing. What I'm doing.
The 27th such attack comes just 1 week after ZPD officer Judy Hobbs connected the violence to traditionally predatory animals.
Meanwhile, a peace rally organized by pop star Giselle was marred by protests.
Kanti why people asking you ngomjolo anyway? So yes. Just give it close.
Beautiful diversity.
You have to squeeze the thing.
Ayela ngombuza ngomjolo.
This is not Visitopia Island.
Like my life is good. Ayela ngombuza ngomjolo.
We don't just blindly assign blame.
Some drama, please. Ooh.
We don't know what
Oh,
is
baby.
happening.
I'm fine.
It is irresponsible to
You are I'm fine.
Yes, with 2 hands.
I just switched to my data because the Wi-Fi is acting up.
No,
Ah,
like
boy,
this.
child, and
Like this.
uzuyazi.
2 seconds. Like that.
Yo.
If a predator such as myself wasn't the first face that you see when you walk into the city. What? They're gonna move me to regulars. Spider whatever.
Mina shame abana ama haters angisawana yisho ngizoba strong shame. Hi.
I don't understand.
Hi shame ngizoba strong.
9% prey, Judy. Right now,
Hi.
you're here.
Hi.
I trust you. And so that's why Chief Bodo and I want you to be the public face of the DPD.
Sicela drama, please. Mina ngisayithanda idrama guys. Ngilwe nabantu abayingaki gunmen. Yo. Hayi. Hayi. Ngilwe nabantu abayingaki gunmen. I'm good.
All due respect. You're a good cop. You're supposed to serve,
Kan jy Afrikaans praat?
help the city,
Nee.
not tear it apart.
I love the way you line your lips. Yes. I don't understand. Lava vele va draw nje, va draw bayishinja.
Hard to get here. It's what
You need to blend it out, man.
you can't quit. Thank you for the opportunity.
And I miss the drama dog. I don't. Yes.
Yes.
How about you?
Here we work. We don't fight.
Dude,
It's time for span, man.
how we doing?
I'm fine.
Do you know a girl called Chocolate from Botswana? She said she was your cousin. No. She lied.
Because
She lied.
You've always been trying. Oh, I tried. And it made life so much worse for so many innocent brothers.
Yela ngibuza ngomjolo.
to the devil and on time.
Majority.
Gideon Gray?
Yeah, it sure is. We work with him now.
He's our partner. And we never would have considered it had you not opened.
My days, this is the first time I read this whole thing without making any mistake.
You should do Goddess Braids.
It's really cool, you guys. Gideon Gray.
Tell me you have lip filter.
Hey, Judy, I'd just like to say I'm sorry for the way I behaved in my youth. I had a lot
This is
of
me without a filter.
and it manifested
My lips are
itself
naturally
in
big.
unchecked rage and
Bro.
aggression. I was a major jerk.
Oh, I never cared to about being a jerk.
Anyhow, I brought y'all these pies.
Robinson.
Don't you run through that
Oh my
thing
gosh.
from Holy Simeon. Well, now there's a $4 word, Mr. H. My family always just call them night howlers.
I would kiss my lips if I could.
Oh, kids talking about those flowers, Judy. I use them to keep the bugs off the produce, but I don't like the little
They
ones
look
going,
juicy.
Now what happened to your Uncle Terry?
Yeah, Terry ate one whole
They
with the
look-
kids and went completely nuts.
He ripped the dickens out of your mother.
A bunny can go savage. Savage, well, that's a strong word. But it did hurt like the devil.
Well, sure it did. There's a sizable
Who are you
divot in
sitting
your
with?
arm. I'd call that savage.
Hey, howlers are wolves. They're flowers. The flowers are making the predators go savage.
Who's your favorite celeb of all time? I don't think I have one. Eh? Wait, come on. Come on.
You catch any of that line?
Not one bit.
Oh, that makes me feel a little bit better. I thought she was talking in tongues or something.
I need to find it. Please.
Top 3 Amapiano songs. Top 3. I don't even know.
Oh, night howlers.
Did you find someone who does braids? Yeah.
I think someone is targeting predators on purpose and making them go savage.
Wow. Isn't that interesting?
Wait, please. I know you'll never forgive me, and I don't blame you. I wouldn't forgive me either. I was ignorant and irresponsible and
Bye, guys. It was nice talking to you guys.
the predator shouldn't suffer the
See you
same
guys.
mistakes.
We're gonna see you guys.
So ya banyak kan nama komentatif.
But I can't do it.
Apa siya niya isang Pang buta mo mo.
And afterwards,
Shame.
you